dream of a life where money isn't a worry, where you can live on your terms and turn those dreams into reality? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're unveiling the secrets of financially healthy people, the top 10 habits that set them apart from the rest. These aren't just tips, they're the keys to unlocking the doors of financial freedom. So grab a pen and get ready to jot down life-changing insights. But before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and join our community, because your journey to financial empowerment starts right here. 1. Setting clear financial goals. Financially healthy individuals always start with a clear vision. They set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart goals. Take the example of John D. Rockefeller, one of the wealthiest individuals in modern history. He once said, "The most important thing for a young man is to establish credit, a reputation, and character." This exemplifies the importance of setting financial goals early on and working tirelessly towards achieving them. 2. Budgeting and tracking expenses. Tracking every penny is a habit that financially successful people swear by. They create and stick to a budget, ensuring that their expenses are always aligned with their financial goals. As Warren Buffett famously stated, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." This highlights the significance of prioritizing savings and managing expenses effectively. 3. Investing in personal development. Investing in yourself is a crucial habit that financially healthy individuals prioritize. They understand that continuous learning and personal development contribute to long-term financial success. Take the story of Oprah Winfrey, who emphasized the value of continuous self-improvement, stating, "The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams." It's a mindset that reflects the essence of investing in personal growth for financial empowerment. 4. Diversifying income streams. Financially healthy individuals don't rely on a single income source. They diversify their income streams to create stability and security. As the famous investor Robert G. Allen once said, "How many millionaires do you know who have become wealthy by investing in savings accounts? I rest my case." This underlines the importance of exploring various income-generating avenues for long-term financial stability. 5. Maintaining an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is a vital practice that financially responsible individuals adhere to. They understand the importance of being prepared for unexpected financial challenges. As Suze Orman wisely remarked, "People first, then money, then things." This encapsulates the significance of prioritizing financial security for unforeseen circumstances. 6. Prioritizing debt repayment. Financially healthy individuals prioritize debt repayment to avoid accumulating unnecessary financial burdens. They understand the negative impact of high-interest debts on long-term financial well-being. Dave Ramsey's famous quote, "Debt is dumb, cash is king," emphasizes the importance of prioritizing debt freedom to achieve financial stability. 7. Practicing patience and delayed gratification. Delayed gratification is a key habit financially successful individuals incorporate into their daily lives. They understand the value of patience and self-discipline in achieving long-term financial goals. Benjamin Franklin once said, "He that can have patience can have what he will." This highlights the importance of cultivating patience for financial success. 8. Regularly reviewing and adjusting financial plans. Financially healthy individuals regularly review and adjust their financial plans to accommodate changing circumstances. They understand the importance of adapting strategies to align with their evolving goals. As the renowned investor and businessman Paul J. Meyer stated, "Productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of a commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. This emphasizes the significance of consistent evaluation and adaptation for financial success. 9. Practicing generosity and giving back. Giving back to the community and practicing generosity is a habit that financially healthy individuals embrace. They understand the significance of contributing to society and helping those in need. Warren Buffett's philosophy. If you're in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. Reflects the importance of giving back for overall societal well-being. Financially healthy individuals often engage in philanthropic activities, whether through charitable donations, volunteering, or supporting causes close to their hearts. By giving back, they not only contribute to the betterment of society, but also cultivate a sense of fulfillment and gratitude, which is essential for overall well-being. 10. Seeking professional financial advice. Financially healthy individuals understand the value of seeking professional guidance to make informed financial decisions. They acknowledge the benefits of consulting experts to optimize their financial strategies. As the renowned investor and philanthropist George Soros once said, "I'm only rich because I know when I'm wrong." This emphasizes the significance of seeking expert advice for achieving financial success. Whether it's consulting a financial advisor, accountant, or investment expert, seeking professional guidance can provide valuable insights and perspectives that can help individuals make well-informed decisions. By leveraging the knowledge and expertise of financial professionals, you can navigate complex financial landscapes and make strategic choices that align with your long-term goals. In conclusion, adopting these 10 habits can significantly impact your financial well-being and pave the way for a secure and prosperous future. From setting clear financial goals and budgeting to giving back to the community and seeking professional guidance, these habits collectively contribute to a holistic approach to financial health. Remember, it's not just about accumulating wealth. It's about cultivating a mindset that promotes financial stability, security, and a meaningful impact on the world. So, which of these habits will you prioritize today? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. Until next time, stay financially empowered and continue striving for your financial goals.